Alright, clear prop. Master is on, beacon is on, mixture is rich. And let's get fired. Check, mic check. For taxi, clocks and timers are set. Radials, avionics are good. ADIS clearances are good. Nav equipment good. Frequency courses are already set. 120.9 is ground. 120.3 is tower. Altimeter is set. That ready? Charles flight instruments. 0 leveled out. Check. Balls in the middle. Brief causes request, brakes release and test. Alright. Close this up. Schenectady ground, Cap 3135.
Cap 3135, Schenectady ground.
Cap 3135 at the base of the tower, ready for taxi, one circuit in the pattern with numbers and notes.
Cap 3135, roger, taxi straight ahead for runway 4 at Bravo.
Straight ahead for runway 4 at Bravo, Cap 3135. Alright, that was quick. Get going. Alright, all clear. Alright, at section Bravo, start doing a run up. Stop right here. And brakes set. Checklist. Before takeoff, park and brake is set. Seat belts are secure. Shoulder harnesses are good. Cabin doors are closed and locked. Flight controls are free and correct. All good. Radials and avionics are checked. Fuel quantity, pretty full. Mixture is rich. Fuel selector valves on both. Elevator trim is set for takeoff. Throttles 1800 RPM. Check magneto. Car key. Oil pressure is in the green. Put that back in. And back to 1000. Do that. Instruments, airspeed's at 0. Artificial horizon is lined up. Altimeter is set. Oil pressure is still in the green. Throttle friction lock is set. Wing flaps are set for takeoff. Windows are closed. Takeoff checklist reviewed. Transponder set and on 1200. Strobe lights are coming on. Taxi lights are coming on. And nav lights are coming on. And brakes release. Schenectady Tower, Cap 3135.
Cap 3135, Schenectady Tower.
Cap 3135 is ready to go at intersection Bravo for runway 4.
Cap 3135, enter left close traffic, runway 4 at Bravo, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Cap 3135. Alright, let's do this. Flaps are up, carb's good. Aim on. Alright, lining up on the runway. And full power. Once I reach 55 knots, gonna rotate. There's 55, rotate. Leveling out at 76 knots. Keep it in line with the runway. There's 76, keep constant speed. $500 feet. 600. 700. 800. And 900, gonna turn left on crosswind. 20-degree turn. 76 knots, all the way up to 1300. And rolling out at the mountain ridge line. Good, gonna keep constant speed at 76. Turn left on downwind. Alright, coming up at 13,000, pitching down for 90 knots. There's 90, speed is coming back to 2100 RPM. Start leveling out. Now on left downwind for runway 4, parallel to the runway.
Cap 3135, runway 4, clear to land.
Clear to land, Cap 3135. Alright, everything's looking good. Gonna wait till we get to the unit. Alright, coming over the numbers, car beat's coming out, backing down RPM to 1600, and flaps at 10. Glide speed right now is going to be 80 knots. There's 80. Start turning a left base. Everything's looking good. Alright, leveling out, flaps at 20. Shooting for 70 knot glide speed now. And gonna turn left onto final. Right about now. Down the power. Flaps at 30. Alright, coming down good, 65 knots. And there's a glide slope. 60 knots. And touchdown. Flaps coming up. And turning on to taxi.
Cap 3135, if able, turn left at intersection and contact Grand Ground Point Nutter.
Contact ground, Cap 3135. Alright, on ground frequency. Going pretty well. Car beat's coming in. Past the hold short line. Both the lines gonna stop right here. That completes that. Alright, airflow engine. After landing checklist. Flaps are up. Strobes and landing lights are coming off. Transponder is on. 1200 still. Flat. Elevator trims on neutral. Heat is off. Disconnected to ground. Cat 3135.
Cat 3135, disconnected to ground.
Cat 3135. We're looking to head over to the tower base.
Cat 3135, taxi to the base of the tower via Alpha and Bravo.
Via Alpha, then Bravo. Cap 3135. Alright.
Yeah, 3135, by the way, nicely done. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
Mike should be down at the base of the tower now looking for you, I think.
Alright, thanks a lot. Good feedback from the tower. Pretty good. Well, completed my goal of a solo. 16 years old. Look at that. Woo! Alright. Turning right on Bravo, right towards the tower base.
USDA 7, that aircraft is going to pull right up to the guy in the flight suit there.
Roger, I'll hold short here.
Right.
And USDA 7, you can proceed.
Roger, USA 7.
Pretty good. Wasn't nervous at all.
Good. All right, call him and just tell him we're taxiing back to the north hangar.
Alright. Disconnected to ground, Cap 3135.
Cap 3135, bro.
Cap 3135 looking to head over to the north ramp.
Cap 3135, taxi to the